we go to the next location, but the dog isn't ready yet. There is. But he likes to run in front of the car. Here he is. Can't go as fast. Just look back at it. Okay, this is far enough. Wat doet hem? Ja, wat doet hem? En hij gaat een beetje zitten lopen. Hij gaat een beetje zitten lopen. Ja, hij gaat een beetje zitten lopen. Nee, nee, niet te ver. Nee, nee, want... Kom, moet je niet drinken? Kom aan, drinken. Is hij gaan drinken? Ja, ja. Hier are drinks. Kijk. Hier. Drinken, hè? Ja, drinken, hè? Een koeling, hè? Ja, ja. Ja, ja. Wat heb je gedaan, hè? Ja. Ga je mee? Nee, hè? Hey, hier, hè? Rustig, hè? Rustig, hè? Kom aan.
Fans van de James Bond franchise die hebben weer iets meer bekijkt wie er in de rit gaat spelen, hoe de film zal heten en wanneer die moet uitkomen is allemaal niet duidelijk, maar er is wel al een topregisseur aangesteld. Vanlife, de
first Arctic town, apparently, that I read by bad translations. But this is supposed to be the first Arctic town behind the Arctic Circle. I'm not at the North Pole Circle or something, but the Arctic Circle. I'm now back on a highway and crossed two villages, a little bit of a city, but villages. And I saw now that I hate it for sure. The pressure, the annoyance, it's so annoying. People try to pass you, people try to be in your hanging in your tail. They're trying to do all kinds of stuff, doing stupid stuff at the cross point, at the red light. Everything is completely insane. There is nothing logical anymore. So now I go to, how is it called again? It's very close to Finland. So it's a city, a small city. I don't know if it's a town, but it's for sure a city, a town, a large town. And maybe I can fill out my gas bottles there. If not, I kind of have a problem. Then I need to decide if I go more north in Sweden, because I know there a place. Everybody knows that place here in Sweden. There is a place that will fill out my gas bottles. So, and that's like 500 kilometers from here. Maybe a bit, little bit less from where I'm gonna start them. But it's also a little bit west again. There are extreme amount of caravans going south, extreme amount. So I think north is gonna be fine, because I'm so scared of the overcrowded spots everywhere. It's now, what is it? 26th of June. The holidays are here busy though. They are here busy already 10 days or something, or more even. And they stop in half Augustus. Half of August. So that's only 1 month and a half. I only need to stay away 6 weeks. That's easy. I go in the forests. I can stay there for 6 days. That I need to do that only 3 or 4 times. And I enjoy that. I have my Starlink with me. If it's bad weather, I can watch Netflix. So there is absolutely zero problems to do that. I just buy some more food. Poor bird, almost dead. I try to find a spot where there is a creek, so I can have water to do the toilet. And even if it's really clean, I can wash myself with it. I just put the pump in a bucket, and then I have enough water for a shower. And then because water is the fastest done. Then it's food, and then it's gas. Gas I can do 8 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, if it's warm enough. But if it's not warm enough, I just use a double blanket. And I put on clothes to go sleep, so I don't have a huge problem with it. It's just a fridge and hot water for dishes. And I don't use the creek to drink, for sure not, or even for cook. And even not for dishes. I don't want any bacteria in my system. Yeah, my car is doing really weird. And now I'm pretty heavy loaded. I'm already 30 kilograms lighter from the fuel. But still, I have all the water that I can carry. The weather is great, by the way. It's like in the car 19 degrees. It's outside temperature is 19 degrees. In the car it's probably 23 or 4, whatever, 22. The caravan was quite hot. This caravan gets hot really fast. It's not good insulated, so I don't think I can stay a little bit in fall or even winter here, because it's freezing at night really fast here. I think in September, end September, beginning October, it's already starting to freeze here. Yeah. Oh.
Voltage. Waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
Hey, niet zo meneer. Niet zo meneer. Zeg. Nee, hè, nee. Hè. Kom, we gaan eens kijken. Okay. Here we are. After the veterinary, Topsie got his deworming, the mandatory deworming for Finland. So now I need to wait 24 hours. So he got it at 4 o'clock, so I can drive in at 1 after 4 o'clock in Finland, or 5 days later, like in 5 days. So I can stay here for a while. And then there is the question, if it seems that there is a border control in Finland. I don't know if it's strict, or if it's all cars, or it seems it feels like it. Everybody that talks about their dog, everybody, it seems like that you really need to do that. But if there is a border control, yeah, apparently it's only for the dog. But if there is a border control, I'm a little bit scared if they're gonna weigh me, because I have a full tank of gas, yeah, 75% full, so that's 80 kilos, 70 kilos. Then I have water with me, 200 kilos, so and then I have a little bit in the caravan still, and yeah, the food is out now, but I still have a lot of crap in the caravan. So I think I better can distribute the weight from the caravan to the car a little bit. I don't think the car is overweight, at least I don't think very much. I'm not so sure. I didn't weigh him before. But the caravan is almost 100% certain that he's overweight. I went to the control where it was weighed and it was on the limit, and then I added stuff, clothes and an extra battery. I think I'm gonna get that battery in the car for crossing the border. It's almost full now because it was really sunny today. That was not what the weather forecast prepared for us today. It's actually a really nice spot here. Here we can go to the forest. I never seen this in Sweden, these rock formations. The first time. Oh my god, it's silent here. Aren't these areas for bears? This looks like real bear areas where they can do winter sleep and stuff. Hibernation.